What is the cheapest time of year for tree removal in southwest Minnesota? Most tree pros agree that late fall through winter, roughly November through February, is often the most budget-friendly time to book tree removal. That's when many trees are dormant, crews are less busy, and contractors may offer better pricing because demand dips after the busy spring and summer seasons. Winter work also goes faster without leaves in the way, which can save on labor time. Spring and summer tend to be more expensive because tree services are in high demand for landscaping and storm-related jobs. If you can wait and schedule during the slower months, you'll often find better availability and lower rates. If you need help, contact Rugged Tree Service. Address: 206 N Brook Ave, Porter, Minnesota 56280. Phone number: 507-829-4317. Website: ruggedtreeservice.com. If this helped, like the video, share it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more local home and yard tips. Thanks for watching.